Hello friends, in this video you can learn about the how to register on PharmaFire and how to give the online pharmacy test. So just I have gone in Google Chrome and you have to type the PharmaFire. So you can click on PharmaFire website. So you will be get the various courses over the our website. So you can see there are window. In this there are about career. So I have already logged in with this account, so I don't have to need the register with the PharmaFire. If you want to join our test series, so you can register with the our PharmaFire's website. So for the registration I have given the detailed videos link in the description box. So how you can join the our pharmacy related online examination? So there are various courses are available in our portal: GPAT, NIPER, Drug Inspector, Pharmacist and any other all courses. If you want to join our popular courses, such as you are having also demo for test, then various pharmacy related examinations. So basically today in this video I am going to focus on diploma pharmacy, because of MSBT is having taking the examination as per online exam. So for that purpose, for the practice purpose, we are going to having the diploma in pharmacy online examination. In this curriculum or this test, you are having the two tests per subject. In this test, you are having the per test you are having 40 questions. Out of that you have to solve the 30 questions. Okay, so in this video just I am going to start with the pharmacology. So how you can start the examination, how you can make your own practice with the PharmaFire. Okay, so just I have started. Click on the pharmacology first test. Just you have to start. In this pharmacology you are having 40 questions. Time limit will be 1 hour. Then in this video you can see the how to attend the questions, how you can skip, how you can next the question, how you can submit the test. So I have clicked the started or the test. You can get the questions as like after pre-oral administration drugs generally are absorbed best form, means where the drugs get absorbed. So there are various options in multiple choice question MCQ. So you have to choose the correct answer. Then you have to next. You can skip the question also. It's your choice. Then there are after submitting the questions you can having the another question. All of the following are general mechanism of drug permission except. There are 4 options: aqueous diffusion, aqueous hydrolysis, lipid diffusion and pinocytosis and endocytosis. So as like that you can give the answer and you can solve the other questions. For joining the our PharmaFire test you can register with us. It is only at 99 rupees only. So you can join our PharmaFire test for the diploma pharmacy, which is based on the as per MSBT examination. Then another question, which is antibiotic inhibiting the bacterial cell wall synthesis. So what is actual choice of the questions or the actual correct answer that you have to choose. Then you can preview the question, you can next the question, you can skip the question and you can complete the test. So there is another example, aspirin related. So what will be the actions of the aspirin? So that you have to choose the actual correct answer and then you can submit the test. Okay, so in this video I am going to just solve the 5 to 6 question for your information. If you want to join our PharmaFire series, you can register with us. Okay, so there is another questions. For these questions you can just read the question carefully. You can read the various options over there and actual answer you have to choose. You have to choose the correct answer and then you have to going to submit for your examination. Any pharma related examination you can join us for the GPAT examination, PharmaFire examination related the NIPER government pharmacist. So you can join with us. So here is option, you can having the dashboard with the 40 questions. Just I am going to complete the test. After completing test you can get the immediate result, means how many questions you have attended, how many questions you are wrong, how much time you have taken and whether you pass this test or not. So that you are going to having the various features in our PharmaFire test. You can get your immediate results. For this purpose, you can start your demo test with us and you can join our various PharmaFire courses. So this video is regarding the MSBT examinations. If you like this video or if you want to join us with us, if you facing any problem, you can directly contact with us. You can comment in the video box. So